Welcome everyone to our MRCP syndrome. Finally, we have successfully completed our first paper course. It has been a wonderful journey and I would like to thank and congratulate everyone who has been a part of it. May the mercy and the blessings of Allah be always upon you. Right now, before reaching the final destination, let's focus on the revision strategy. So what should be the recommended preparation strategy? What should be the tips and the tricks? Until now, we have completed 21 diets with a total 43 lectures having a duration of 98 hours, 12 minutes and approximately 10 seconds. The duration will further extend when the latest November diet of 2022 series gets updated in the fastest website, and we further discuss into the 15 diets as well. After completing the entire past paper course for the first time, you should go through the past paper PDF version for the second time and keep on solving the MCQs yourself. If you find any questions confusing, difficult or tricky, you should refer back to the video lecture discussion. If you think it's time consuming, then you are on the wrong side of the road. Learning and building concepts should be based on slow and steady process. You need to give proper time understanding the concepts from the video lectures, and it will remain on your brain for a longer duration of time. If you just want to read yourself from the PDF portion without going back to the video lecture, you will completely forget the entire concepts within the few weeks, unless you have a photogenic memory. If you wish, you can repeat the entire procedure for the third time, provided that you have enough time left for your upcoming exam. Once you feel you have built the concept about the question pattern as well as the pattern recognition, it's time to move forward on to the next step, and that's the Madbox series. The Madbox series is the precise version of past test, more specifically the past papers. Every topic, every line and every letter is profoundly important here. Do not skip, I repeat, do not skip a single line from the Madbox series. You will feel the real difference in your MRCP exam. You should keep on memorizing and revising the Madbox series at least 10 to 20 times. You should also keep at least 6 hours for this the day before your exam. And the last but not the least, whatever questions you get based on the past papers, make sure you can correct all of them. It would offer you an extra advantage compared to other candidates. So once again, thank you everyone for the wonderful memories. Join us, MRCP Syndrome, chase your dream.